yes. What are you going to play today, baby? Aath Junior?
No, this is not that. I'm gonna play this ball and
Put this ball. Put the ball. Let me see. No, not that way. I think it should be opposite way. Show me. I'll show you how to put it. Not that way. You'll have to put it from behind. Wait.
Right way?
There.
It's not right way. Oh, I got 3 balls. You try it. You're gonna try.
I'm gonna try. Yeah, it's going on. It's rolling. The ball roll. Yes.
I got 3 points.
Right. Play.
You failed. Papa, this one is.
Where's the pink one? I'll try drop the pink one.
The pink is right here.
No, give me that. Guys, this is how you need to throw. Oh, there she goes. I got it.
I got 2 points.
Ball roll is an exciting game for babies. Isn't it? My baby?
Papa, the ball's on the head.
Drop it. Drop it.
Yeehaw!
Coming with a?
Papa,
Mm.
I got 2 balls.
Okay. Drop that. No, not there. Baby, you need to drop it this way. Oh. Psych.
I got 3 points.
What happened? It got stuck.
More like Wait.
Fell down?
Yeah.
I'm putting it again. No. That's cheating.
That's cheating. Papa, that's cheating. Papa, I got 1 point again.
Okay, drop it. Now you show everyone how to do that.
You first. You try it and I will try it. Hey, that's cheating. Papa, that's cheating.
That's not cheating. I did it the right way. That's how you put it. No, don't put it that way. Good. So you like this game?
So this game is actually good. I played this before.
You played this before?
Yeah.
You played ball roll or marble run?
Marvel Run is a very game. You just play it for me because it's so good and rapid. That's the Marvel one.
It's never late. It's not the marble run, it's the ball roll. And I'm going to try once again. Yeah, there you go. I got it. I'm going to try the pink one finally.
Oh, no cheating. Papa.
Yes, that's going on. Oh, it came out. I win. Okay.
I told it.
Like, share, subscribe.
Papa, I told it first. There's I'm gonna put my ball here. You're gonna lose. Papa, you lose.
That's nice. Oops. What happened? There you go. Yes, he came down. Finally. That's nice.
Papa, come to my one.
Right, if you like, share, subscribe, Aath Junior.
No, stop. Papa, we got time again. Are you serious, my man? Guys, my ball is stopped, and I gotta try it again. Oh!
Good.